Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport D200. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine pushing out 204 bhp, delivered through an automatic transmission and down to all four wheels. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, this example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Carpathian Grey. At the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with signature LED daytime running lights. The Discovery also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors set into the lower bumper. Down below, the vehicle comes on a set of 20-inch style 5089 gloss black alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. To the rear of the vehicle we'll find some Discovery and Sport badging across the tailgate. The vehicle also benefits from having a rear view reversing camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Adding a touch of easiness to your everyday life is this power tailgate, behind which is a very spacious boot area. The Discovery also comes with two optional seats at the rear which can be folded down. In the rear passenger area we'll find a 3-seater bench with a folding armrest in the middle. In the centre of the footwell we'll have some rear heater controls as well as some charging points. Up front in the driver's cab area we'll have some more Ebony Windsor Leather upholstery with some red contrast stitching. And in the centre of the dash in the forms of entertainment we'll have a 10-inch touchscreen system. This system includes navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle along with listening to all your favourite radio stations. Beneath this is a lower touchscreen for the climate controls, and in the rest of the centre console we'll have an armrest and a couple of cup holders. In front of the driver's seat we'll also find a multi-spoke steering wheel coming in a leather finish as well as having a heated function along with a digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Land Rover Discovery Sport R Dynamic. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.